In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly merge contacts in Go High Level, a crucial skill for maintaining an organized and efficient database. Whether you're dealing with duplicates or simply want to consolidate information, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and detail. First off, begin by navigating to the Go High Level website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page of this powerful platform. It's intuitively designed, so locating what you need should be straightforward. However, our objective today is very specific. We're here to tidy up our contacts. Your next step is to log into your Go High Level account. Find and click on the Login to App button. This action will direct you to the login page, a gateway to all the functionalities Go High Level offers. Here's where the magic begins. Upon reaching the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's the same email associated with your Go High Level account to avoid any access issues. After inputting your email, the subsequent step requires you to enter your password. This step is crucial for security purposes, so ensure you type in the correct password linked to your account. After successfully entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This action initiates the authentication process, a necessary step to protect your data and access. Following this, Go High Level's security measures will prompt you to click on Send Security Code. This added layer of security ensures that only authorized users can gain entry. Check your email for the security code. It should arrive promptly. Once received, enter this code into the required field to verify your identity. With the security hurdles navigated, you now find yourself on the Go High Level dashboard, the control center for managing your digital marketing efforts. It's from here that our tutorial will dive into the specifics of managing contacts. Navigate to the Sub-Accounts section and select an account for which you wish to merge contacts. This step is essential as Go High Level allows for the handling of multiple accounts, each potentially containing unique sets of contacts. After selecting an account, move to the Contacts section. This area is dedicated to everything related to your contacts, a vital part of any marketing or CRM system. Herein lies the crux of our tutorial, merging contacts. To do this, start by selecting the contacts as you wish to merge. Perhaps you've noticed duplicates or simply wish to consolidate information from several contacts into one. Once your contacts are selected, the next action is to click Merge. This function is designed to streamline your contacts list, ensuring it's as clean and organized as possible. Merging contacts is not just about cleaning up, it's about making your database more efficient. When you merge contacts, you're ensuring that all relevant information is centralized under a single contact rather than scattered across several. This efficiency can improve your marketing efforts, ensure more personalized communication, and ultimately lead to better engagement with your audience. Now, as you follow these steps, remember the importance of accuracy and attention to detail. Merging contacts is a permanent action, and while it's a powerful tool for organization, it requires careful consideration. Ensure that the contacts you're merging should indeed be combined to avoid any loss of important information. Additionally, Go High Level's user-friendly interface makes navigating these steps relatively straightforward, but it's always good to proceed with caution. Take the time to double-check each action to ensure you're merging the correct contacts. This precautionary step is a small investment of time that can save you from potential headaches down the line. Furthermore, Go High Level provides extensive support and resources, so if you find yourself unsure at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. The platform is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, with a plethora of tutorials, guides, and customer support options to help you navigate any challenges. In summary, merging contacts in Go High Level not only helps in decluttering your database, but also enhances your overall strategic approach. By consolidating information, you can achieve a more streamlined, efficient, and effective communication flow. Whether you're a marketing professional, a business owner, or someone in charge of CRM, mastering this skill can significantly contribute to your operational efficiency. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to merge contacts in Go High Level. Stay organized, and here's to your success.